In this lesson, we will see together the prepositions, but more precisely, we will see vers. So, of course, the first thing that we need to see together is what is une préposition? Well, a preposition is an invariable word which brings two words together. The second word is called complement, and it allows to specify the time, the cause, the place, the state, the manner, the purpose, or the matter. The second word can be another noun, a pronoun, an infinitive verb, or an adverb. And last but not least, remember that this complement can also be a sentence. And so, this lesson is about vers. And the preposition vers can be translated to towards, around, or to in English, depending on the context. So we will see 4 examples with vers. Elle se dirige vers la sortie. Elle se dirige vers la sortie. Il partira vers 8 heures. Il partira vers 8 heures. Les oiseaux migrent vers le sud en hiver. Les oiseaux migrent vers le sud en hiver. Il a tendu la main vers le fruit. Il a tendu la main vers le fruit.